Hello everyone, here I will show you how to create a new folder. First you need to place your cursor on an empty space on your screen. Now press the right mouse button on your mouse. You will see this menu. Now place your cursor on New Label and hold it there. Now keep your cursor along New Label and move it to the right to the new Open sub-menu. Now place your cursor on Folder Label and press the left mouse button. Press Enter key on your keyboard to confirm the name and you're done. Congratulations, you have just created a folder. Now I will proceed to create another folder to repeat the example and remember the process better. Okay, thank you for watching. Now press the like button and subscribe to my channel to thank me for creating this video.